Still broke in 2025? You're not alone. But what if I told you there are side hustles out there where people are making $500 a day, and almost nobody's talking about them? Stick around, because number 3 is a gold mine that most people are ignoring. Let's dive in. First, reselling digital products. Create once, sell forever. Think budget planners, resume templates, things people already buy every day on Etsy or Gumroad. Use free tools like Canva, upload them, and boom, passive income. You spend a few hours creating a product and it can sell over and over again. It's like printing money while you sleep. Next, AI freelancing gigs. People are charging over $100 for ChatGPT generated content or designs made in seconds with AI. You just need to learn how to sell it. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are full of opportunities. Imagine you could be making serious cash leveraging AI tools without needing to be a tech genius. It's all about finding your niche and offering quality. Here's the underrated one: local service arbitrage. Find local services like car washes or dog walking. You don't do the work, you get clients online and pay someone else to do it. You keep the difference. Old trick, new profits. It's like being a middleman but for local services. You handle the business side and someone else does the field work. Simple but super effective. These gigs aren't hype, they're working right now. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit that like button, and let's build your freedom, one side hustle at a time. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.